the trip to Ukay-Ukay by Stephanie May Astoperos and Mika Ella Tapia and this is the Pasad girl.
Hey, paano to?
Ang pangit ka, puro pasad.
Paano to?
Tingnan.
Uy, ito ba?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Yeah.
It's sakto lang. Okay, bilhin mo na. Magkano yan? 150? Oh, bilhin mo na. Go na, girl.
Gusto mo yung sando.
Pang model.
Bye. Worth it. Ganda ng tela.
This is Stephanie Tapia sleeping
Ito
top.
kaga, meron ka lang job, tapos i-doble mo to.
Uy, wait.
Hindi dyan, isang bago ba? May
Ah.
loob ka lang blank.
Wait.
I-doble mo lang.
Hipster so, Mika. Mukha mo kasi parang hipster eh.
Oh,